Hello friends, it is the part number 2, and in this part we are going to learn the best freelancing websites. So in the first part I showed you the three best websites to work on and you can earn a great money. Number one is number one in my views is Upwork, and the second one is Fiverr.com. Upwork comes up with about 40 million traffic per month and Fiverr comes up about 59 million traffic per month, but Upwork is quite good for seller as well, but Fiverr is quite good for only buyer in my views. And thirdly, website that I recommended you was freelancer.com, and it comes up with 8.50 million traffic per month, and that is quite amazing because on Fiverr there is a lot of competition, but on freelancer.com the competition is not too high. Friends, if you are a graphic designer and you want to earn a great revenue, then I will highly recommend you to work on 99designs.com as well, because 99 designs comes up with the dedicated environment, payment security and active community, but the only issues come to this website is high service fee. The designer level can be limited, so these cons are not for seller, these cons are only for buyer. So let's see what is the monthly traffic of this website, because the greater will be the monthly traffic, the higher will be the chance of getting orders. So it comes up with 4.81 million traffic per month. I think that's quite great, and that's not too bad but quite great as well, because this website is quite amazing for freelancers, because as a seller this website provide you a very good customer support and also a good commission. Friends, the next website to work on is People Per Hour. In my views, I will highly recommend you to work on this website. People Per Hour is also good website. Let's check its monthly traffic. Okay, what was the traffic of 99 designs? It was about 4.81 million. And what is the traffic of People Per Hour? And it was about I think so, oh my god, so amazing. And last month traffic is about 4.57 million. It's about 4.81 million. So these both of the websites comes with almost same ranking level. I think so People Per Hour is also quite a good website, and find the best freelancers to deliver your project, and you can find best. Okay, the only benefit of 99 design, the only difference between 99 designs and People Per Hour is that 99 designs is quite good for only designing purpose, web designing, graphic designing, animation designing, logo, anything you designs is you can only work on designing, and this website is only created for designing purpose. But People Per Hour is like Fiverr. Just like Fiverr, you can do content writing, SEO, web development, logo designing, voiceover, and also illustrations and drawing, social media strategies, and SEM, AdWords and PPC, sales and calls, admin assistance, videography, translation and graphic designing. So this website is quite amazing. Customer support is too good, and 3 million related freelancing covering 8,766 skills, and $150 million is earned by freelancers, with top freelancer earning is about $7,000 per month. That is quite good. And 10 minutes to ask a freelancer, with 90% of the projects completed in 7 days. That is just amazing for buyer and seller as well. So friend, this website is quite good, and let me see what's the country of this website is Tanzania. Okay, this is Tanzania. Okay, the next website to work on. Okay, let me see what are the pros and cons of this website. Pros is automated invoice and location based listings. Okay, that is quite amazing. This feature is only in People Per Hour, I think so, I'm sure about it. And secure payment, that is a common thing. And cons, what are the disadvantages of this website? Free bids are limited to 15 per month. I am not sure what it is saying. I think it is quite good. Okay, let's jump to our next best freelancing website. I think so linkedin.com. Let me see what is the monthly traffic of LinkedIn. Oh, sorry. Let me see what is the monthly traffic of linkedin.com. LinkedIn comes up with 1.39 billion traffic, but it is, I think so, not a freelancing website properly, and it is just a, you can say, as job type website, and it is also a social platform to connect with people and to learn skills. So it's just amazing. It's 8th rank in its category, 90th rank in its country, and 24th rank in its in worldwide, in globally. So I friends, in this video and in the last part I showed you some of the best freelancing websites. So I wanted to make a quick overview so that you can get a better idea. In my views, the first is the first at number 1 position is Upwork, secondly Fiverr, thirdly freelancer.com, and at 4th position is 99 Designs and People Per Hour. Here is People Per Hour. 5th position is Taptel and linkedin.com. 6th position is LinkedIn. One of the good website that I missed is guru.com, so I wanted to show you about Guru website as well. I want to close these tabs and let me see what is the monthly traffic of guru.com. Okay, not too good, 1.29 million. I will not recommend you to work on Guru. I will not recommend you. Okay, I showed you these 6 websites to work on, and you can earn a great revenue from these websites. Simply Hired, I am not sure about this website and I do not have much idea. That is just amazing, 6 million traffic. So friends, you can work on these websites. You can also read this article as well. I can also put the link of this article in description. I will see you in the next video and take care. Bye bye.